Hey everyone, it is Sillyman here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a shift to sprint system on Roblox. So what we're going to do is go over to starter player and then expand it and then click on starter player scripts and then right click, insert object and then insert a local script. And we're going to say local user input service equals game get service user input service. So this service is going to be used to get input from the user. And then we're going to say local players equals game get service players, as we will need the service to get the player object. And to get the player object, we say local player equals players dot local player. Next, we're going to make a constant for the sprint speed. So we're going to say local sprint underscore speed. And I'm going to make this variable all in caps to indicate that it is a constant. And I'm going to set that equal to 30. And then next, we're going to make an event for when the user presses a key. So to do that, we type user input service dot input began connect function input, and then this input variable here is going to be, it's going to contain the information on what the user pressed. And then we're going to say if input dot keycode equals enum dot keycode, and then next we need to put in the key code for the shift key. So that's going to be left shift, and make sure that you type it without any spaces. Then player dot character dot humanoid dot walk speed equals sprint underscore speed. Next, we're going to make an event for when the player stops pressing a key. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this actually and then paste it. We're going to change input began to input ended. And then we're going to change sprint speed back to the regular speed. So that's going to be 16. And then one other thing we have to do actually is go to starter player and then disable this enable mouse lock option. What this does is it disables shift lock, because when you hit shift, it's going to interfere with the script here. So if you go ahead and hit play, right now I'm walking normally. If I hit shift, now I'm sprinting. And if I let go, I go back to normal. And that is all for today's video. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and we'll see you all in the next video.